Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Johnny Bauman from Drop 'em Outdoors, as known as Drop 'em Johnny. We are hunting Southern Opener of Wisconsin this weekend, and we kicked off the weekend smoking 2 deer. So we got a lot of damage. We're getting after it, but we're not going to let that affect our weekend. We're going to have a good time. We're going to go out tonight, hold down the spot. As always, you know how it is out here in Wisconsin. And we're going to hold her down. It's a good pothole back in the woods, and hopefully we smash some good old wood ducks and mallards tomorrow. So stick around and hope you guys enjoy. Before we start off this hunt, let us pray. Dear God, thank you for this day. Thank you for another duck hunting season. Thank you for amazing friends and family to make this all possible and be able to go out and shoot some birds and have a good time and make lifelong memories together. God, I ask that you give us safety today. You give us a sure shot. And you bless us with a good harvest today. God, we thank you and we praise you in everything we do. Amen. All right, guys, just got to the spot. Our plan is to chill here for the night, hang out, and just wait till the morning comes. And we got about 2 dozen decoys and 2 honker decoys, and 1 mojo we're gonna be running. We're gonna kind of just go with the flow. We're gonna set up off a point, and it's a pretty good root or loaf pond, I would say, for geese. But there's gonna be a lot of mallards and a lot of wood ducks in this hole. I was here last week. Came down after I did Northern Opener and just kind of looked over things, and it looked good. So I'm excited, high hopes, but you know, things can happen. So we're gonna go out and check it out. So let's unpack the truck. Sir, getting after it this morning. Just kind of yossing them out there yonder and see if they like it or not. But there is no rhyme or reason other than the wind we play off of. So we got a good northeast wind. Yep, northeast wind. So hopefully some birds are pushing down already early in the season. I looked at Birdcast, it looked like it. Yeah, the wind's in our favor today. Usually the wind's out of the west here, and it's really hard to hunt because they'll land on the other side. So should be a good day, but they'll probably land right in the middle of the pond where we're not at. So we'll see what it's all about this morning. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we got everything set up. We got about 10 minutes till shooting light. It's a dark, gloomy morning. Love these mornings. The birds don't fly usually as early. We got the sun to our back. The birds will be blinded once that's up. We got a perfect northeast wind, and I have a good feeling about this morning. We're gonna get Stacia her first duck and possibly Adele her first duck, and we're gonna see how it goes. We're super amped though. We got somewhat of a blind setup here. It's kind of makeshift to just dead branches, but we're gonna get after it. So hope you guys enjoy. This is by far the nicest early season gadwall I've ever seen. This thing's a stud. Then she shot her first duck. It's a teal. And I don't know what happened to the other one. I thought we smoked it, but I guess not. She got away, so we got 2. So let's get back after it. 2 up, 2 back down. That was good shooting. I love it. Let's go grab some honkers. Daddy's baby. Oh, man, that's awesome. Boom. Shot him.
I thought you were putting a duck on me or something.
Well, that's another one, folks. She flew right over you guys, and I ended up shooting it over there. So Patrick lied to me. He said there's a duck over there. There wasn't a duck over there, but hey, made an opportunity, so we got after it. Shoot him. You hit him, but I think I killed him.
No.
That's a big old honka. Add him to the pile.
Where'd you put the other ones?
Right on back there. Well, sweet. We got 3 honk daddies down and 4 ducks, and looking to hopefully tag some more here. It's getting right about that loafing period, so should get some more mallards coming back in here, and then hopefully some more honk daddies. So stick around and stay tuned. Legs are getting a workout. He's talking about it. Number 5. Beautiful green one. Pretty bird. Good to see a full mixture. Gadwall, mallards, green wing, and blue wing, and honk daddies. So let's go back in the blind. Let's see what else is flying. I got that on film. Oh man, poor dude. Just absolutely dumped it. But he's getting after it, dude. He's full. Oh man, this poor dude. Smoked him. All right, good night. Well, yeah, this is kind of our spread here. We got some decoys out there, a little bit there, and then we got 2 honkers just kind of being stoppers, and then a few decoys off to the left. But it's been kind of a challenge today to get the birds to cooperate. That's been the biggest thing, is they've been kind of landing on the sides of the decoys and just not wanting to come in right. We've switched up the decoys about, I don't know, we've probably switched up the decoys 7-8 times. We pulled the mojo, it seemed to help. You know what, we've tried, we had those ones come in, we didn't shoot very well. We should have shot more, but hey, we're having a blast, and that's all that matters. And Patrick is now soaked, so he's gonna want to go home pretty soon, but he's kind of a champ, so. Geese are coming. Run, Patrick. Patrick, geese are coming.
What?
Honkers. I heard them. Come on, run, boy.
No, I can't run.
Our cameraman's gonna have to go through a fitness program.
Yeah, like you're any better.
She ain't wrong.
Dude, there's a big log out there.
How are you?
What?
With a capital W. Hennifer. Another Hennifer.
Boy.
Well, at least you got a finisher.
Yeah.
You're probably dying. Alright.
And
Well,
wet.
Yeah. Dude. You went full on swimming. You were like Michael Phelps out there. Winning that gold medal for us.
Well, because I saw her head pop up. I was like, oh no. So I started going. Log. And I just like accepted. I just like kind of sank in, you know? My phone's all wet.
Oh. Well, give it to me. I'll drive it off for you.
Yeah.
The bird slayer.
Yeah, I didn't even shoot it.
You finished it. You
I did. No, I didn't shoot at all.
Oh, so we hit one? I thought I missed everything. I probably missed everything, actually.
Me or him? That's the one I was aiming at.
That thing's thick.
Let's get tucked back in. That's that 10 o'clock mallard, dude. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, it's a big mallard.
10 o'clock mallard, 10 o'clock swim, you know?
Heck yeah. That's 9 on the day so far, and we're just getting after it now.
We're getting started.
Yeah, we're just
Late
getting
start.
started.
Late start.
We're looking to finally finish our limit. We only need a ton more.
Yeah.
Only need like 24 birds, so yeah, we're gonna get tucked in and get back after it. He is. Konnor blasted that one. Shot that one in the face. Hell yeah. Cameraman Patrick ran after it, chased her down, and secured the bag.
I almost fell again.
You almost did, you didn't.
Greeny.
Green wind deal, eh? Oh yeah, that's not a bad one. Go. Oh, greeny weeny.
Tired. I ain't doing that. Someone
I'm tired, Grandpa. All right, guys. Well, it's been a good day. We've been out here. We got Konnor his first goose, Stacia her first duck, and also her first goose. And it's been fun. We got I think right around 10 or 11 birds now, and you know, it's been here and there every once in a while. We had some cold fronts the last few weeks or whatnot, and this last week especially in the morning, and I feel like it pushed out some of the birds, but we're still having a blast shooting them up, and we're hearing a lot of shooting, so I know a lot of guys are out there having a blast. So it's always good to hear it, always good to see it. We got another hour or so, and we're gonna see if we can pick some more off. So
This. I hate this. This is the most dumbest thing I've ever done. Have a good day.
yeah, and that's why she's a housewife, and she'll be taking care of the kids while I'm out here doing what I love. Overall, hunt went great, man. It was a good time. You know, we were hoping for a few more birds to come around, but I feel like we capitalized on the birds that did swing on by, so I wasn't upset at it at all. But missed a few, but we also shot quite a bit, you know, for having Stacia out here the first time ever, and then Konnor, he hasn't been out in a while, so it's just cool to see them happy and excited, and I had a blast. So overall, it was a blast, and big shout out to Patrick for filming all this and making some killer content and swimming.
What do you guys think? That was a great day. Like I said, my wife got her first duck, which is awesome. I got my first goose. I think we came out with 13 birds, which is a great day. It was awesome.
Johnny, what happened?
Of course, anytime you pick up decoys, they come in. It's guaranteed. Yeah, we had about like, I don't know, 25, 30 mallards that were headed this way. And there we were, unprepared. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. That's the best part of hunting right there. They're still cruising around though. Odds they come back, 0. Probably -0, if that's a thing.
Oh, beautiful bird. Beautiful.
He was there all along, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, ladies and gents, we got everything picked up, and this is our grand total here. We got a good old, what, two mallards there, and then we got 2 gadwall, 1 here, and then 1 in our tagged and bagged, already packaged up. We had to show some good old friends of ours back there how to use it. They stopped on by, we showed them. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 blue-winged teal and 3 honk daddies. So that's a grand total of, can't do math very fast, hold on. Maybe 11 birds, so hey, we'll take 11. I mean, that was fun. I mean, 2 new hunters, really realistically 3 new hunters, and me and Patrick. Patrick chased after a couple, and it was a blast. It was a good time. I'm so thankful you guys stuck around to the end, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, the truck didn't blow up on the way back, so we're all right with that. But yeah, no, what a good day. What a fun time. Enjoyed ourselves. And yeah, now the cleaning process starts.